Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable nightlight mode on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and choose the Display option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your display features. Step 3. Next, scroll down the menu to locate the Nightlight option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the Nightlight option to turn it on instantly. Did you notice the intensity slider? Swipe it to adjust to your liking. Or, do you want to turn the option off again? Tapping the option will turn it off by itself. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.